Hey, private practice owners, it's Nancy Mira. I want to invite you to 2025's best event to kick off the year for private practice. I'm talking about the survival strategies, strategize to maximize. What does that even mean? Oh my gosh, it's a goal setting workshop, an all day virtual from the comfort of your private practice or your home virtual event. But guys, it is more than goal setting, because we know you can do that with a pen and paper and your pajamas. This is not that. This is a spreadsheet with KPIs, a baseline of where you're starting and where you want to go and what numbers you need to be tracking to be successful. All led by Diane Crecelius. It goes over numbers, I'm telling you, you haven't even dreamed of tracking. And that's the difference. And that's what makes it successful. And that's the answer to why so many people have joined us year after year after year. Because I think this is our third or fourth time bringing back Strategize to Maximize. Click the link below and join us January 17th for Strategize to Maximize. That's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to build a strategy that's going to help you max profit, max space. Yeah, we even go over things like maxing your physical location space. We go over things like that, how to max your efficiency, all the KPIs, all the numbers you need to track to stabilize, expand, scale, grow your practice. We have it all here January 17th with a group of amazing, helpful private practice owners like yourselves that want the same data. So you get on a virtual, it's warm and fuzzy, everybody has a great time, and you're there being led by one of private practice's best of the best, Diane Crecelius. And it's sponsored by Survival Strategies. Survival Strategies is the leader in training and consulting for private practice owners and their staff. They haven't been doing this for a minute. They've been doing this for over 36 years. They've trained some of the best in the industry. I'm going to tell you guys, the spreadsheet alone is worth the price of admission. So you need to get the numbers that you need to track to make yourself successful for this 2025. So click the link below and join us January 17th for Strategize to Maximize.